Hi guys, may prize kami.
Show mo. Unboxing!
Let's see!
Oh, first, ito yung prize na nakuha ni Kaden kanina sa games. Open mo.
Open?
Yeah.
Ano ba ito?
Open mo, go.
Ano?
Open.
Hala!
Like this, oh. Oh, go. What is that?
What is this?
Wow!
Boat!
Oh, show mo. Show dito.
I
It's a
got boat.
boat.
I got boat.
You see?
I got...
Oh, later.
No.
Put it down there. Oh, next
Mama,
is, ito naman din yung...
Mama, ito.
Oh, later na. Dito. Next is yung prize din sa games kanina. Oh, open.
Mr. Run.
Wow!
My truck!
It's a
Hero!
fire truck.
Ilip din.
Yeah.
Lip.
Yeah, oh, show mo them. Show to them.
Hey guys, that lip. What is it?
Next
Make a
is
quote.
galing naman sa
This is the mom cat.
no, galing to kay Tita Ria.
Tita Rhea.
Yeah, sa second session po ng beaker.
What?
What is that?
Dami.
Damit. Wait lang. Yay!
Wait natin
Wait
dito.
lang. Ito.
Yay.
Yay!
Ayun, sayang.
What did you say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Pati dito. Dito dapat. Dito dapat. This.
Next is galing naman kay
Tay.
teacher
Mom cat.
kay Ma'am Cat. Oh, open mo.
Saan?
Ito ka mag-open.
Dito.
Card. Sabi dito, to Isaiah Kaden from Teacher Cat.
Ma,
Merry
paano sa-
Christmas!
Ay, dito pala. Padikit na may ko. Ang dikit! Ay, paano ba ka?
Dali na. Ngayon, hilahin mo to. Hilahin mo yan.
Oh!
Yeah!
What is the one? What?
Dito, makita mo dito. Dito yan. Wow!
Hi guys, I got car.
Show mo din, ganyan.
I got car, guys.
Oh, who give you this?
Si Mom Cat.
Ma'am Cat, what would you say to Ma'am Cat?
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Ma'am.
guys. Thank you, guys.
Kay Ma'am Cat. Say thank you to Ma'am Cat.
Thank you, Mom Cat.
Tapos, ito naman yung
What,
nabuhay
Jai?
kay Kaden from,
Saan
wait lang, from Jaira Marie.
Ami, tapusan.
Go.
Car.
Wow!
What is damit?
Damit.
Ang dami. Dagwa ako na.
Dami.
Ang dami ito. Ang dami.
Dami. So, meron siyang, wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang po ka lang dyan. Meron siya, bilangin mo to, bilangin mo. 1,
1, 2, 3.
meron siyang 3 na sando and, ano to?
Tiga bread.
Briefs. So, meron din siyang 1, 2, 3 na briefs. Say thank you po.
Thank you po.
Tingin dito. Say thank you po.
Thank you po.